Good morning, everyone. I'm Alan at Homestead. Welcome, everyone. How's all my subscribers doing? I hope y'all all doing well. Prayers go out to all the ones down in Oklahoma, Arkansas, Texas, Missouri, all the places tornadoes hit. I hope everyone is well. Praying for all of y'all. But I rigged up, well, I kind of designed this myself, but it's a hoop coop mover. That's the tongue, and these here, it slides up from the bottom of the hoop coop, and the front on the 2x6 supports itself when you put the weight on it to hook it up to your riding mower or garden tractor. These here on the sides for the 2x6s to slide in. Hopefully it'll work. We're going to do a video on moving the hoop coop and all that with it. We're going to make 3 or 4 of them, and if it works, if anybody's interested, just let me know. We can send you the blueprint on them, or we can build them. You know, us older guys get out here lifting on this stuff during the day, working around, and the next day we don't feel like doing anything. But for the younger people, it's for anybody. Anybody that wants one. They're not hard to make. Just cutting everything out, getting the measurements and all that. But hopefully it works. But I believe it's going to be a game changer on moving hoop coops or any building, really. All you have to do is put 2x6s on the sides, one in the front to where you can stabilize it and take them back off whenever you get it moved. But y'all leave me some comments and tell me what you think. If you think it's going to work or not, but hopefully it does. I hope it does anyway. It really helped me out a lot because I got another hoop coop out there that I want to get moved, changing our chicken lot around. Yeah, I appreciate if all y'all jump there and watch my videos. Leave me some comments, tell me what you think, what you don't like. Give me a thumbs up every once in a while, or a thumbs down. It don't really matter. It matters, but I'd rather have the thumbs up. I'd like to have all the comments I can get, all the subscribers. It's all free. It don't cost you anything. Just trying to get my channel built up. We're planning on going to that Arkansas Valley, River Valley meetup, the 17th, 18th, and 19th. Hope to meet a bunch of new friends, subscribers. We're going to be staying at Mount Magazine Lodge, I think is what it's called. We're going to be staying there. But I hope to see all of y'all down there. I'm subscribed to a lot of channels, members to several, but hope everyone likes what I've done here. Hopefully it works. We're going to be making a video demonstrating it. It's going to be a big game changer if it does. Be good on my back anyway. But I got several videos. I got the hoop coop build videos. I got 2 of them I gotta get out. We'll try to get one of them out tomorrow. Another one the next day, and then this year, the next day after that. Well, not this video. This video I'm gonna get out, try to get it out today. But hope all y'all join in there. Hope all my subscribers will comment. Tell me what you think. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell your friends and family. Share my videos. Leave me a thumbs up. And we're gonna get off here and get this thing to put it to work and see what it's gonna do. So we'll catch all y'all later. We'll see you now. You hear?